to use.
Be a target because of you.
Yeah. So if them can't catch one,
Or one share.
yeah.
Bomb protected, right? Love that. Love it.
My fun.
Yeah. And they like, yo, that eat gets in my brain, you know? Yes.
Take your time, because you lose focus. I'm an idea, say, run behind. Run but look under one little milk tin. Run behind behind one little stump. No.
Everybody who come in my shop, anybody who come in my shop right now, could have after you, I don't know, another thing there.
I'm coming this way with it. So.
Yeah, I'm
Ready? Rolling. And action.
But you know, I get it, you know. It's a company policy. We can't just divulge information to you unless them check you out.
Check me out. Oh, I said, so them check my out. What? South Korea is a want to find about me. Want to find out about Patricia. Tell me because I can't wait to hear this. Tell me where to find out about me. Because you clearly know more about me. I mean more about me. So what else? That's me.
You don't say I take the thing too far. And you're not. You don't say I take the thing too far.
You say check me out. Yeah. You don't say I take the thing too far. What's it?
And then need for each other.
And the need for each other.
No, tell me what you need for reach.
Just
Because
listen
you
when
can
that
check
IS
me
come
out.
right.
Yeah. If they check me out, that means they know about me and my grandmother. You know me, your grandmother. And you know some is Spanish in my family. True?
Ready? Rolling. Children 78 years with a man. I'm an undercover agent.
Never tell you.
Yeah. And they never see it fit. There's nobody in their life.
Nobody can tell.
And him know everything about you. The agency don't check you out. And you don't know nothing about him. How you trust somebody like that? Never yet.
So Miss Bubbles are agent. You know that. You want agent? Look, Miss Agent. Are you an agent?
No man. How you see him move? You've seen things from Little Miss that would say, it's likely that she could be an agent because she have a very stern grip on things but
Yeah.
sorry, no.
Alright.
So maybe him said to you, say, so why not think Karim my agent? No sir. Karim sir?
Never.
No cut from that the clock then, none at all.
That the correct then you sell out of the store right before I'm reaching in.
Yeah.
Alright, so hey, I'm outside, you see I like this talking.
Yeah. Ready? So they look now and then let me tell you something, Chris. Pick the name. Rolling.
And she never realized, she don't know, she
So
not
that
meant.
time when you come at the shop, everybody did you come at the shop just to come at the shop see it?
Come check my hair and see if I cousin
Right.
Well, genuinely, I come to check my hair at times. But I still have to remember the job.
Yeah. This is going to clear for me.
Oh, this is how I'm drafting.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to have it. Normally, you would have to get permission.
Yeah. Rolling.
Is it?
We're filming.
Well, it's 4:30
PM, yeah? PM.
p.m. 4:30 p.m.
Why would that be AM?
No, we just have to make sure. So my boss reached and she reached safe, Zane? Yeah. And she's smiling. Yeah.
So Bubbles is all the way in Russia now,
Yeah.
and she's. What time is it there now?
12:38.
Right. She's like 9 hours ahead of it.
And she gone for my Russian mafia.
And she
Yeah.
got for a Russian mafia, and yeah, you know we have to put everything at the show. Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So
That is it.
tell your YouTube audience hello.
Hi people, I'm safe and I'm sound. Yeah, I don't know we see one of the things them from kind of make a little video and something to set up his audio for putting them. Yeah, rough. So I don't know what the shots are. You know, start one for people. It's out from on a different level.
Oh, it's not going. It's not going away.
Let me say.
All right.
So I come to immigration a while ago here the man.
come away.
No, this one is yeah.
Yeah.
So now I'm